Hey everybody, welcome back. Carl with Columbia Water Gardens, and I know you guys have been waiting like a week for an update on the concrete pond, and here it is. So here's a little bit of background. We have lots of jobs we've got sold, and a lot of jobs that we were actually on contract before we even got started on this job out here doing this concrete model or pond remodel, blah, blah, blah. So we had a job in San Jacinto that we had to do. We had a job at a local church over here in Hemet that we had to do. And now we're back and we're just like chugging away full force over here. So all the demo is done. We're at that point now where we're shaping the pond. And you can actually get to see a little bit now where we are and be able to catch a little bit of the vision. We got a ways to go still. We still got to get the rest of the pond shaped. Got to get it finished being dug out. And we got a lot of dirt that we're getting rid of. Yesterday we got rid of, I think, about 3 yards of dirt. So far today we've gotten rid of another 8 yards of dirt, so that's 11 yards. It's gone. I've already walked the job site and I'm looking and seeing, it seems to me that we've got probably about another 4 to 6 more yards to go. Fortunately, we have a relationship with our materials yard, and our materials yard is saying, hey, if it's clean, bring it, we'll take it. So check it out, guys. Freedom! Ah, it makes me so happy to not have to pay money, you know. But here it is. Let me walk you through it. Come on over. So, what we did is let me kind of help you catch the vision of what was here before. There was a wooden fence that kind of came along the side over here like this. There was all this just concrete stuff. You wouldn't believe the concrete waterfall that was in this corner over here. And I mean, an amazing amount of demolition work. If you catch the previous videos and take a look at video number 1 and video number 2, you'll be able to see the amount of demolition that's taken place over here in this yard. It has been insane. But we're at that point, so come on down. So right now, where I'm at is I'm standing at about 30 inches deep, okay? So this 30 inches deep is gonna be really good for fish. We've got a nice long channel for them to be able to swim into, and Aaron's over there, he's getting ready to be interviewed. I'm gonna ask him, so give me a thumbs up, Aaron. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna talk to him in a second. But here's some of the neat tips and tricks that are gonna happen over here. Watch this. So you see this edge right over here. You see how we've got this concrete coming up over here off to the side? We're actually going to be setting our boulders right about here, okay? And the liner is going to kind of come back, flip over and fold over the back side of that boulder over here, and then we'll just backfill behind here. So a lot of the dirt that you see over here piled up along the fence over here, that's actually going to end up right back over here as backfill behind all of this. So that's going to give us a nice soft edge over here. It's also going to give us a nice natural area to naturalize this area between the concrete and the back of the rock. We're thinking we're going to do a little bit of mixture of some pea gravel, maybe some, 3/8 inch to 1.25 inch to, 3/4 inch, 1.25 inch, 1.5 kind of a blend like that, kind of give it a little cobble going all the way around. That'll fill in some of these nasty crack areas that we've got going on all through here. So that's that. The waterfall, you can see that they've kind of done some preliminary shaping for the waterfall, so you can kind of see that the guys are going to run. The first drop obviously is going to come out over here at this angle over here. There's going to be a pooling area right over here. Then the next drop is going to come down over here, and then we're finally going to have our third drop, which is going to run from here down into the pond. And let's take a look and see how long this thing is. Let's check this out. We'll pace it. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. Good thing we ordered a 50-foot roll of liner. I mean, it's a lot. So that's going to be a pretty big thing over here too. So if you turn around, if you take a look and see how long this channel is, this pond is actually going to take up the majority of the yard over here. So that is super cool. Aaron, where are we at right now on the project? Tell me where we are. And are you tired?
No, not really. We're in the shaping process. We got to continue these shelves the rest of the way that way and clear out the excess dirt on concrete.
Some of the people that might be watching this video might be wondering, why are you tamping it? What's the deal with the tamper?
In order to make the shelves strong enough to hold the boulders.
Normally we don't have to do that. What's happening here? Is this dirt just like really soft or something?
We have to form our own shelves because of the old pond being here. We had to get rid of all of that space.
Okay, so what I think I'm hearing you say is that you had to pour new dirt over here, and then you had to actually tamp it in from the sides and from the top.
Right.
Okay, it's a big job. How are we going to deliver the water from the skimmer over here up to the spillway over here? What's that? What are we doing?
We're gonna be running the plumbing through the bottom of the pond here. Okay. 2-inch pipe.
All right. And then are we going to be repurposing the filtration that the customer just bought last year?
Yes, we are reusing that filtration. It'll be over to the right of the waterfall.
Is it going to be enough?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to make some upgrades on that filtration for sure. Yep, he's going to have to get upgraded. I don't think it's big enough. That's a problem. All right, so in our next video, we're going to show you what we do. We've got liners going down, rock is going down, filtration's got to be upgraded. We've got a bunch of stuff that we've got to do. In the meantime, these guys, they've got so much work to do. They've got a lot more digging to do, and they still have to go and jam over to another customer's house this afternoon and replace a fountain pump. So I'm Carl with Columbia Water Gardens, reminding you that
Pond lives matter.
again, pond lives matter. Happy ponding.